Whether you are looking to stay on top of critical compliance events or just manage and track in a more organized way, Traqpath is the compliance solution for you. Available for mobile devices and a web browser, Traqpath brings more versatility to your compliance system. We're going to log in to Traqpath on the web browser version, and once we get in, we're going to be shown all our critical compliance events in an intuitive, responsive display. The first thing you're going to see is a list of my assignments. These are the compliance events that are assigned to me, things I need to work on. Traqpath categorizes records into 3 types. First, you have action items, which can literally be anything: a meeting, a to-do, or any similar actions. They are the tasks that you need to complete. Here you can view all open and closed action items. Moving along, you'll see corrective actions, which are more detailed in nature and are designed to handle more systemic events that require intensive work from your team. Then you have compliance events. Now these are the events that happen in your company. They can be compliance related, related to safety, quality, or simply something that happened that you need to track. Traqpath also comes with a reporting section that lets you see basic views on what's going on in your work group. It's a quick and easy way to see the overall health of your compliance tracking system. To illustrate how Traqpath might be used, let's begin by creating a new compliance event. You can just pull down here to get started. An event is anything that can occur in your company. It could be quality, safety, environmental, or a general issue you'd like to track. Traqpath uses a simple form with editable keywords to better identify these events. In this case, I'm responding to an audit finding related to a process in my organization. But let's say we want to have someone take additional action. For that, I can issue what's called an action item. Now these are simple actions that can be assigned and tracked and can be linked to any of the compliance events I have. Now I'm able to add more depth to my event with action items. I can assign any action item or event to anyone within my work group, or I can send to external stakeholders simply by emailing them a link. Traqpath keeps me notified of any actions I have in the system. Now, Traqpath is available as a mobile application. So now that I've created a few events and actions, let's jump onto my mobile app and complete the process. I'm now on my iPad. Now Traqpath is available for both iOS and Android devices, and you can see here I have a similar list of all my assignments and events within the system. I'm going to open up an action item here to provide a little more detail. Using very simple forms and fields, I can add more depth to my action item. I can even use native mobile functions, such as my camera, to take pictures of the issue and attach them to my record. Now that I've added more to my action item, I can route it to another person in my work group. All routing, comments, and details move seamlessly from one member to the next with the goal of complete collaboration. From the mobile app, I'm also able to launch new actions and events. I'll go ahead and start a new action item. Let's say to set up a meeting with my team to go over a few things. I have the ability to add as many keywords as I want to the Traqpath system to better categorize my actions and events. When I am ready, I can route this to the next person or complete it right from the mobile app. Users will get an email notification of the task, and I can enable push notifications to get alerts right from my mobile device when a new action or event is assigned to me. Okay, let's jump back onto the web version and take a look at escalating our events to a corrective action. So I'm back in my original event, and now let's say that the event needs more investigation or more detail. For that, I can issue a corrective action, CAPA for short. Just like action items, I can kick off CAPAs right here from the event and have the information linked from one place to the other. CAPAs provide more detail, more fields, and a definition of the event, and really allows you to drill down on the root cause and actions taken to correct this event. Traqpath also allows me to add comments to the record, which is a great way to have a collaborative conversation, one that is tracked within the system. Once I'm done, I can send it off to the next workgroup member for their feedback. Traqpath keeps it simple but effective. You want to create visibility and control over compliance without complexity. One great thing about Traqpath is the fact that we have a comprehensive knowledge base to help you out. By clicking on the question mark on the website, I can ask a question and see related articles to help me work through the process. I can review these articles, send a question to the Traqpath team, or provide feedback. This is part of the Traqpath product and provides you with direction on your compliance journey. Lastly, Traqpath encourages collaboration. With my free Traqpath account, I can invite up to 25 people to join my workgroup. From here, I can manage my team members and invite new ones. I may also work with people outside of my workgroup, so I can send actions and events to as many external people as I would like. There is no limit, and it lets me collaborate with people outside of my workgroup, such as suppliers and customers. This is a powerful feature of Traqpath, the ability to extend collaboration beyond my four walls. Best of all, Traqpath is absolutely free to download and use for your organization. You can sign up at www.traqpath.com or download the app for your phone or tablet at the Apple App Store or Google Play. Stop relying on spreadsheets and manual processes to track compliance. Get on the path with Traqpath today.